Today is Thursday, June 26th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado 6-way power seat mechanism. It's actually 8 degrees of freedom, but General Motors refers to it as a 6-way power seat. I'll be doing a functional validation test. This is video number 6 out of a 6 video set, and this is the fully assembled final embodiment, whereby the unit has received a level 10 restoration from my friend Lee Russell in Texas. And the unit was completely taken apart all the way to the final screw, the transmission rebuilt, the motor armature rewound, each of the actuating risers as well as the linear gearbox were completely disassembled and fully serviced and the bearings replaced as depicted in the predecessor videos. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and apply power. We're going to be looking for the actuation, and I'm going to start with the linear movement, front and back. Very smooth, very quiet. These have, of course, fully replaced brand new slide guides, made to within 5/10,000ths of an inch accuracy, and then cycled 600 times with a 50,000 grit abrasive slurry to bring them to within 50 millionths tolerance in terms of linear parallelism between the track and rail. Now I'll go ahead and do a front tilt, front rise, front lowering, rear rise, rear lowering, and of course the left hand driver's side unit and the right hand passenger side unit are fully calibrated to be within 1/16 of an inch in terms of height calibration. So we've got actually a closer tolerance than that in this particular instance. We're 3 1/8 in terms of the floor to upper rail lip height in the rear, and upon elevation we're at 5 1/4. And we can see where we're moving in unison. So we've tested the front raising and lowering tilt. We've tested the rear raising and lowering tilt. We've tested the linear actuation front and back. And now we're going to do a unified rise. And a unified lowering. And that demonstrates the 8 specific movements, or 8 degrees of freedom if you're an engineer. Okay, so this is George in Florida. This is the fully assembled embodiment from my friend Lee in Texas. This is video number 6 out of a 6 video set. This is a level 10 restoration, whereby the unit was completely disassembled as depicted in the predecessor videos. This is the final functional validation test under power. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, June 26th. Thank you very kindly.